and welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be doing kind of like a 3-in-1. I'm going to be doing a review, I'm going to be doing a tutorial, and obviously I'm going to be doing the first impressions. The star of the show is going to be this palette right here. This brand is KOKIE Cosmetics and this is the Artist palette. There are 3 different palettes and I just happened to pick this one up at my local Rite Aid. I do not have the other 2. I think there was only one other palette there with this one. They did not have the 3rd one. Foremost, I'm just going to go over the palette itself. I'm going to give you all of the ins and outs of this palette, and then we will jump on in to the makeup tutorial. This is what the outside of the package looks like. It just has the rose gold, and then it has this cool little design on the front of it, and then the back has all of the shades on it, and it also has all of the shade names. This brand is cruelty free, which is a must for me. This is what the inside of the palette looks like, and as you guys already know in my haul video, I am really super excited to use this peach color right here. Pulled up the website and it says that there are 3 different palettes. There is the Utopia palette, the Peachy Queen palette, which is this one right here, and then there's also the Treasured palette. It says that this palette offers warm, rich mauve and pink hues that range from light to deep, consists of mainly matte shades but also includes 3 beautiful shimmers for added dimension. As it's versatile for day or night looks, 12 creamy pigmented shades. As it's highly blendable, and it also has a rose gold setting. So I already did my eyebrows and I set my eyelids off of camera, so I'm just going to move you guys in a little bit closer and we are going to get started on the tutorial. Since there isn't really a light transition shade in this palette, I'm just going to go straight into this peach color right here, and this is the color Peach Puff. I'm just going to use my Moda Pro 430 crease brush, and I'm just going to apply this right into the crease. It is very smooth and it is very blendable already, which I love. The only thing that I am seeing is that I do have a little bit of fallout right here, but that is why I like to do my makeup first, or my eye makeup first. This color I am going to grab is this one right here, and this is the color Monarch, and I'm just going to place some of that in the outer crease. I think I'm going to leave like the berry colors and the peach colors up here, and then on the lower lash line I'm going to smoke it out with some of the browns. And I'm using the same brush, just cleaning it off with this little like cleaning wheel thing that I have. And I'm just going to put that right in the outer V and pull it in. And I'm focusing my brush upward instead of straight like this because I just want it in the bottom of the crease, not so much the top. I'm going to grab a little bit more and I'm going to place it on the outer lid and just blend it upwards with that peach color. I'm going to go back into this same color Peach Puff and I'm going to add a little bit more up into this section, bring back some of that peach color. And I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of Monarch and blend those 2 together. I think I'm going to try out one of the shimmer shades on the inner corner portion of my eye. Maybe just do like a tiny little cut crease, not going all the way over, just portion right here. I'm just going to pick up this little concealer brush and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. And I'm just taking my brush and kind of like flicking it over. I am not the best at cut creases because I just learned how to do them not that long ago. I have hooded eyes, so it makes it very, very difficult to do them because you have to bring your crease way up here. But we're gonna give it a go. And now I'm just wiggling my brush back and forth to blend in the concealer in this color. I'm going to pick up this color right here, and this color is called Majestic. This is one of the shimmer shades. I'm just using this little flat shader brush. I'm going to pack that right over the concealer. And then I'm going to go back in with the shader brush, and I'm going to blend this crease out right here. Start blending it right over this line. And I'm going to go back in with Peach Puff and add back the orange in the top. For the bottom lid, I'm going to start with this one, and this color is called Scrumptious, and I'm just going to lay that down on this line almost as a lighter transition shade, and I'm just using this little pencil brush. And I'm going to bring that color all the way over. I'm just going to take an e.l.f. crease brush and I'm going to start blending all of this out. Now that the eyes are done, I am going to jump off real quick, finish the rest of my face, apply some false eyelashes, and I will be right back to give you my final thoughts on the palette. This is the finished look using this palette. I honestly can say this is now one of my all-time favorite palettes. I used it once and I absolutely am in love with it. The colors are very vibrant, they're very blendable. The only issue that I had with the darker colors is down here underneath the lower waterline. They were dark and pigmented, but as soon as I brought it up here and I started blending it out, it almost like it flaked off, or it lost all of its color and it became like really patchy. But other than that, I absolutely love this palette. I think it's worth every single penny that you spend on it. I am definitely going to go and get the other two palettes, see how much I like those, because this was such a hit for me. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and also leave me a comment and tell me how you like this video. Tell me if you have bought the palette, if you like the palette, how it works for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That being said, I will see you guys in my next video. This is what the inside of it looks like. Sorry, I'm trying not to blind you. Well, hello there. First, let's get this hair out of the way. Alrighty then. Try out one of this a flat music. I'm just going to put this on the inner corner. Why does everything keep falling? And in the concealer in this color.